Good morning, Maui, and hallelujah, we've been saved. The 2 week dry spell is over. Taking a look at our surface analysis, you'll see our high pressure is at a 1033, 1034. That's pretty strong, and we got these low pressures below us surrounding the way. Fernanda here's a 992, just slowly getting weaker and weaker. Taking out the wind map of the same thing, you'll see our high pressure right here and all these lows just kind of churning and feeding the circle. We hope that this high pressure can stay dominant, maybe move center of the Pacific to keep these hurricanes from killing the wind too much. But yep, we're already getting swell here from this northeast fetch of Fernanda, and it looks like we should probably be on track for some nice waves for the whole week. That's like northeast, east swell. So we're stoked. Haleakala craters blowing 5 from the north. Um, Looking at our soundings, you'll see that inversion still above 10,000 feet. Looks like it should be a pretty good polar day, same as the Kauai. It's like moisture in the air. You can get up there for 9 o'clock and get that development flight. It's pretty good. Going to our University of Hawaii, we'll notice that our moisture patch from yesterday and that upper cloud is kind of moving in. You know that low pressure that was forming to the left, and here's that hurricane just like we saw on this earth wind map. And our Pacific analyst. Here's another look at that radar. You can see those high clouds passing and those trade clouds passing to the left, and we got this little dry patch coming to hit us right now. Big blue shows Fernanda just kind of mellowing out. These next guys coming, and that post low forming over to our left. Wind Guru looks about as happy as a day could get for me right here. This is what it was doing yesterday, about 2 meter swell, 14-second east. I kited for at least 6 hours yesterday, surfed for a couple more, never left the backyard once. Super stoked to get that. It looks like we got a full week of it coming. High tide is going to be around 1 o'clock. It'll be pretty high. Here, that king tide stuff, that planet Saturn or something is still pulling us that extra water. Wahoo Wind Guru shows that there could be a little bit of a south swell, 14 seconds, 1.4. For me, I'd rather go exercise at the sand piles. Checking out our local buoy, we'll see 6.68 seconds northeast. Northeast is such a good direction. I got some favorite spots I want to go to. It shows 1.6 as true wave height. Down here you'll see east swell 1.6, 6.2, east northeast 6 foot 8 seconds. Hurricane swell. But from experience yesterday, I can tell you it was 2 to 4, kind of steep and a lot nicer than a wind swell. Taking a look at Hokipa, you'll see that the swell is probably more dominantly east. Once it gets so big and junky that I can't handle Oahu, typically Hokipa starts looking somewhat manageable, but it doesn't look like it's there yet. Alright, checking out our sun, thinking about the day's plans. I should try to go up country and get that nice development flight. Yesterday could have been great flying all day, a little rainy, but Seacliffs was as good as it gets. But, I'm gonna stick with the backyard living. It's rare for me to be able to stay home, eat at home, surf and kite at home, and just enjoy the whole day at the beach without ever driving far at all. So I'm gonna be a east sider today. Alright guys, go find some exercise waves and have a good day.